Now push. There you go.
There you go. Come on, Damien. Push. There you go.
Go,
Pull up.
go. Come
The
on,
same
you
way
can
and
do
then
it,
pull up.
Damien, the same way. Go. Pull.
Pull
There you
up.
go. Now
Pull up with your arms.
And
With your
move your
arms.
arms. Move.
Come on, Damien. Pull up with your arms. Pull up with your arms.
Go.
Okay, pull up.
Now pull
Pull
up.
up. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it.
There you go. Keep going. Go.
Push up. He gets caught with his
Now
belt.
push. Push.
Push with your knee.
Again, put your foot up and do it strong. Go.
There you go. Keep pulling. Keep pulling forward.
There you go.
Come on, Damien.
There
He's got his
you
belt.
go. Move though.
Take your leg out from underneath. There you go. Good job. Yes, we are.